Supplements promising better focus, clearer thinking, and more energy are everywhere, and Nuvel Vitamin B Complex is one of the latest getting attention online. But does it actually support brain function, or is it mostly marketing hype? Let's break it down. So, Nuvel is a liquid B vitamin complex designed to support nerve health, energy, and mental clarity. Its formula includes high doses of B1, B6, B12, niacin, and folate, nutrients involved in neurotransmitter production and nerve signaling. The brand says its sublingual drops absorb faster than pills for better results. There's some science behind B vitamins. B complex vitamins play key roles in energy production and neurotransmitter synthesis, which affect mood and mental performance. Research suggests certain B vitamins, especially folate and B12, may help slow cognitive decline and support brain metabolism in some people. People who are deficient in B vitamins may notice improved focus or energy when supplementing. But here's what the marketing doesn't always say. There's little independent clinical research on Nuvo itself. Most evidence applies to B vitamins in general. If you already get enough B vitamins from diet, supplements often won't dramatically boost brain performance. Reviews online are mixed, with some users reporting benefits while others notice little change. So does Nuvel Vitamin B Complex support brain function? Possibly, especially if you're deficient in B vitamins, but it's not a miracle brain booster. At best, it may help with energy, nerve health, and mental clarity, rather than dramatically improving cognition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.